Special greetings, my dear students. Yesterday we seen some important topics. Okay, applications of computer. What is a computer? What are the full forms of computer? Okay, this all things we seen today. In this class, we are going to see the functions of computer. Okay, we are going to see functions of computer. My dear students, already in previous class we've seen the full forms. So full form, it is compulsory for you, that all are the basic full forms you have to learn, and you have to write it in your fair copy. Okay, only full forms you have to write. Okay, now we can see the functions of computer. When you studied in a early, in a small ages, you learned the basics of computer: input, process, output. But here you are going to learn another thing, important thing: storage. My dear students, the storage is very important, because in a computer, okay, this is a computer. When we are typing 2 plus 2, okay, 2 plus 2, when you're typing 2 plus 2, this 2 you can able to see in the monitor, correct? This 2 you can able to see on the monitor. Okay, the reason is what? If there is some storage place, after that time only you can able to see this 2, correct? If there is no storage place, if there is zero size, okay, if there is zero size, then how you can able to see this 2? Whatever text or words you are typing, how you can able to see in a monitor? You can't able to see. Okay, now we are seeing whatever we are typing, we can able to see because of the storage. Okay, whatever software is running, because of the storage only we can able to see. Okay, input given by the user. Okay, input given by the user. Process, after giving the input, computer process based on the user requirement, and before coming to the output, it will stores a data. Okay, it stores a data after we are getting a output in the form of a printout or in a monitor. Okay, so this is the basic things, no need to go deeply. In your book they given a few examples like a car. Okay, in a car, fuel is the input, engine started is a processing, moving, sorry, engine, petrol fuel, it is storing, it is a storage, moving a car is a processing, final stoppage is a output. Like that they given, you may go on as you wish, which you would like to. Okay, you may just understand the concept. Now today we will see the CPU. CPU full form is what? Central processing unit. Okay, so CPU full form is a central processing unit. This CPU has a mainly three components. Okay, CU, control unit, CU control unit, ALU arithmetic logic unit, and memory unit. Thing is what? Control unit controls the entire system. Okay, control unit controls the entire system. And arithmetic logic unit, okay, logical works it will do. Example, kindly see, 2 into 3 divided by 2 plus uh, 2 minus 1. So here we will follow the rule of BUDMOS. Okay, here we will follow the rule of BUDMOS. So this is a logical. So this logical things ALU will perform. MU means a memory unit. Okay. So already this whole things you all learned in your primary classes. So no need to go deeply. We can go as much as fast. Now we can see the memory unit. Whenever memory unit comes, okay, in computer we are having only two type. One is the internal and another one is the external. Okay, in this internal, always first your mind should be always on RAM. and ROM. Whenever we are talking about the internal, we will discuss about RAM and ROM. RAM full form is random access memory. When we are talking about the storage, there are only two types, internal, external, and internal two types, RAM and ROM. ROM means a read only memory. And when we are talking about the external is unlimited. We are having CD, PD, okay, DVD, hard disk, okay, memory stick, flash drive, USB drive, like that. So many storage places are there. Uh, we may see only few things, but be clear in this. Internal means what? Only RAM and ROM. Now today I will explain you only the types of RAM. After we may finish this class, remaining things we may see in the next class. Already I told RAM is a random access memory. These are the four types of RAM. Today we are going to see all the RAM, okay, or temporarily storage. Okay, temporarily storage. Now you on the computer, what things you are typing in the computer, you can able to see without saving also for till closing the document, correct? You didn't say, but how the text is showing there? Temporarily storage, RAM. Okay. Now this RAM also having a few era, few generations development. First is a DRAM, dynamic random access memory. Students, listen only one word which I am telling you. If you understand this word, you can understand this concept very clearly. Dynamic random access memory. This is a RAM. First they introduced, it need a refresh. It need refresh continuously. Whenever we on the computer, so we have to do refresh. If we do refresh only, it starts, all the application will become active. In your home, if I come 2 o'clock midnight, and if I will wake up and if I will ask any question, can you able to say any answer? No, because your mind is in a totally sleeping mode, unconscious mode. Suddenly if I wake up you, your mind needs some refresh, little bit time need to become a active, to become a normal, else it will not be correct. So same way computer also, when you will start, we have to do refresh continuously. Okay, dynamic random access memory. So to avoid this, they introduce a SRAM. SRAM means a static random access memory. This RAM no need refresh. Okay, this RAM no need refresh means first we have to do continuous refresh. They developed and they made now refresh. This is costlier. Okay, this is costlier. Okay, this is costlier. Okay, be clear in this. DRAM need a refresh. Dynamic random access memory need a refresh. Static random access memory need a refresh. Again they made this advanced. SRAM again they made advanced, called synchronized dynamic random access memory. Now you no need to do refresh. Okay, you no need to even save. Okay, so this is a computer, this is a hard disk. Okay, hard disk means what? Storage area. So whatever we are typing, when we will press some control plus S, it will store in a hard disk, correct? But in SDRAM, whatever modification we are making here, okay, automatically it will store here. Synchronized dynamic random access memory, it always check with the database, it always active. Okay, whatever changes we are making, automatically it stores in a hard disk. Okay, but this one always 24 into 7, it is always active. 24 into 7 means 24 hours per day. In a week, 7 days per week, means no holiday. So whenever computer is on, this SDRAM, synchronized dynamic random access memory, always active. Okay, always active. So because of that, electric consumption will be more. Okay, electricity consumption. So these two RAMs and all, when we are opening application only, it will consume the electricity. But SDRAM, if you're opening application, if you're not opening application, it doesn't matter, it always consume electricity. Okay, this is a drawback. Okay, it always consume electricity and no need to refresh, and this is a very faster. Why it is faster? Because it is always active. It is always active. Okay, so to modify this, now we brought DDR, double data rated. Now all the mobile, okay, computer, PC, okay, a tablet, everywhere we are using this DDR. The main reason is what? This is not like SD-RAM. We have to save the document. We have to do refresh also, but it consumes less power. It is faster than all RAM. Okay, just to think, if one computer electricity bill will come 600. If big companies are having more than 1000 computer, just to think how much electricity bill will go if you are using SD-RAM. But when we are using DDR, everything will be cheap and best and standard they may use. Okay, so students, this all are the today we seen types of RAM, ROM. Kindly learn it. Okay, whatever doubts you are having, you are free to message me. Okay, no need to call, just message, I will give reply to you. Okay, if you are calling, please kindly maintain the some time. In a school they given you time, on that schedule you may time me midnight, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. This all are the not a proper time. Just a message, whenever I will see, I will give you reply. If you want to talk to me, you are free to call, but some time maintain it. Okay, midnight calling, okay, or early morning 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock calling, this all things try to avoid it. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, thank you.